amalgam. Here's the instrument. First one is mirror. Next is explorer. Explorer. Cotton pliers. And spoon excavator. Spoon excavator.
Yeah.
Spoon excavator. This is to
What is that?
condenser. Condenser.
Okay.
And then purify.
Oh, purified.
Purify?
Yeah.
Look at the edge. Purify. And Holland back.
What is that?
Holland back?
Quite clear.
Is it Holland back or discolored?
We have some clears in Holland back in the amalgam.
Yeah, we did here.
What is this?
It's quite.
Check in the book.
Only the thing, the ball varnisher is changed.
Oh, so
Other
that
than
one is that you don't have PFI, right?
No, yeah, the amalgam, that's the
PFI.
thing we just changed
Oh,
it.
so we don't have PFI in here. So it's
Amalgam. We
gonna
have
be.
PFI here.
So this one is different. So this quite cleared and
Holland back.
Holland back.
And
This
the
one.
light pure.
Holland back?
Yeah, this coin is like a disc in here. It's like a spoon too.
So this called clear.
Yeah, so this is Holland back.
Oh. So not PFI.
Holland back, Holland back.
Hole and back.
Holland.
Holland
Holland
back.
back.
Holland back. And then this cochleoid. This cochleoid has like a spoon at the edge, and the other one
It's
is
like a disc, right?
sharp. Yeah,
Okay.
sharp thing. This cochleoid.
And the other one?
This cochleoid. Ball varnisher is the last. Ball varnisher is always last for amalgam. For amalgam. And then articulating paper. Articulating paper. Amalgam carrier. Liner.
Liner? Is that a liner?
Spatula. We need 2 anesthesias, topical and 1 injectable.
Okay.
Amalgam well, of course. For the topical anesthesia.
Okay, Q-tip.
This is for this micro brush varnish.
Yeah, for the varnish.
For the varnish. Micro brush for the varnish. Of course, we need amalgam for amalgam restoration. We need the burrs, 2 burrs. Check the picture of it, the image of the burrs.
Is that 4?
Is it 4?
Is that for high speed or low speed?
High speed and low
The
speed.
low speed. This one for the high speed.
Okay, high speed for...
The fatter.
How would you know?
Oh, so difference, yeah, with the high speed and the low speed.
We're gonna check it in here. The holes of this one. This is what's for the low speed.
That's the low speed.
So
Low-
this one, the fat one.
Oh, so the
big
fat
hole.
one for the fat one.
Yeah.
Fat to fat.
Push it.
There.
Low speed, right?
And then low speed for thin.
Yeah. The thin one is the high speed.
Yeah, Tino is high speed.
Oh, this one can't hear any click sound.
Push it.
Takot ako.
I'm having a hard time to put this one.
What is that, ate?
And then if you
There you
have
go.
cotton rolls, of course. Cotton rolls.
What is that?
If you have wedges, we need this one too.
The wedges, yeah, for the matrix.
What is
Matrix.
that? Matrix.
Holder.
I just heard from Miss. Like if you have wedges, you're supposed to have this one too.
Okay, and then dical.
Wedges holder.
Matrix
holder.
Matrix holder.
Ate dical.
Of course, dical. If you have dical, you need this one. Paper mix.
And that's it.
And the gauze, of course. Gauze. That's
Ghosting.
Gauze. Okay.
That's
Now, we will rumble it.